Hi, it's Angeline here. I have a brand new crafty video with Unity stem, and today I'm going to show you how to create this ombre background using some Nouveau Glimmer paste. So I've already stamped and colored this beautiful flower envelope stamp, and I'm using some Nouveau Glimmer paste here to create my background. So what I want to do is create 4 stripes of colors. So I'm grabbing the glimmer paste and a palette knife and just kind of eyeballing on how thick my stripe is going to be. So for the first layer here, I'm using the color Pink Opal, which is a really nice pink with some gold sparkles in it. And then I'm grabbing the next color here, which is called Tanzanite Lavender. And when I'm mixing 2 stripes in, I am also going over slightly the pink one to kind of blend it in together. For the next layer, I'm using the color Blue Topaz, and then I am ending it with the Peridot Green, which is a really nice green. I guess all colors are really nice. Anything sparkly and glittery, I love it. So once that's dried, I am adding a frame here which I've created with some nesting dies from white cardstock to just break off the glitter and just create some interest. And then I am adding on the flower and also the sentiment to my card. So here's how my finished card looks like. I hope you enjoyed this technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!